Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to go over some journal kits that I have created. Now I created 7 journal kits and I've already pre-packaged them. They're all ready to go. But I wanted to show them to you, not each and every one of them. But instead what I'm going to do, just to show you guys how much, like, they're all very similar, and I'm willing to show you all of them. It just takes a lot of time, and I know because they're all so similar, I didn't think that showing you 7 would be productive. But instead what I did was I wrote down 1 through 7, and I'm going to tear these up. I'm going to put them in a bucket, and whatever number I pick, that's the one that I am going to, that's just empty. That's the one that I'm going to go open up and I'm going to show you guys. So, whee, circle, circle, circle. I'm going to go with this one, which is number 5. All right, so we're done with these. Number 5. And then I'm going to go and find my little number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 6. Where's 5? Oh, it's right there. Okay, so I'm going to set these aside. I'm going to pull this one out, and I'm going to show you basically what all of these kits look like. And all of these kits will be $10 shipped, like US shipping. And yeah, that'll be it. So I started out with some scrapbook paper, which I got this idea from Miss Gales. She's like, make kits with your scrapbook paper. So I did. So basically I just grabbed 7 sheets of scrapbook paper. I cut it down to size so it would fit into this envelope. But I gave you the extra piece. Some dictionary page here. Actually, I gave you 3 of these, I think. Yep, 3 of those. And nothing is sealed. It's all very loose in here. A regular old envelope. A coffee dyed envelope. A flower book page. 2 very thin pieces, or 1 very thin piece of paper to go with the flower book page. Coffee dyed envelope. Tag. Coffee dyed paper. Some old book page times 2. Piece of scrapbook paper. This is a coffee dyed scrapbook paper. They all have some sort of coffee dyed scrapbook paper in there. And they all have 2 pieces of fabric here. I'm trying to like keep this closed, but I might as well just not. This one is, I didn't want to cut this down, so I basically just folded it in half. But this is 2 larger book pages. And some of them have dictionaries on, or dictionary entries on them. So there's that. The rest of the fabric here. This fabric is approximately, now they're all similar. They're not all exactly the same, but they're all similar in length. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 9 inches in length. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 3/4 in height. And that's what it looks like. And then this is what the other one looks like. The coffee dyed. I might as well just take it all apart like this. There we go. So we got the book page. We have the scrapbook paper that has been coffee dyed. We have the 2 fabric pieces here. Scrapbook paper, not coffee dyed. Old book pages times 2. Coffee dyed paper times 1. Some lace, some tag. Some lace here. This one here, like I said, they're all similar but not exactly the same. But this one here is approximately 23.5 inches. So you get a decent measurement of that one. This one I did not have as much of. And this one is 10 inches. This one's a nice little scrap piece of lace with some pretty on the end. An envelope, coffee dyed envelope. I think that's cool. Like I said, the flower paper and the paper to go with it. Coffee dyed, the little cupcake rounds, cupcake papers. So that's one of the small tiny ones. Glassine bag, a jumbo a jumbo cupcake liner, but it's round now. A old book page, an old book page pocket. A really old book page just there. This is from a children's book. A 6x9 coffee dyed envelope. A different old book page from another children's book. A page from an English to Chinese dictionary. This one's very fragile, which is why it was kind of butt back here. But this one is another really, really old book page, like a vintage book page. I'll have to get I don't remember the date on this, but it was really, really, really freaking old. A different size dictionary page. So I like the size of this. So you got 2 of those. Tag. Envelope. 3 kind of standard dictionary pages. I did cut these down on the side just so they'd fit in the envelope. Okay. A larger size scrapbook paper. This is, where's my thingy? Okay, well, we'll just count it then. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 9. Oh, that's right. I cut it down so it would go in the envelope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So just shy of 6x9. And then this is the 12x12 that I cut down that you get. It's folded down the middle, but other than that, you can use it for, you know, whatever. See? And then that is it. Like I said, they're all fairly similar. They've all got 3 book pages. They've all got the giant scrapbook paper with the one added with it. They've all got an extra scrapbook paper, the 3 dictionary pages, the envelope, the tag, the smaller dictionary page, the really, really old book page. Let's see. Oh, the laces. They all have similar lengths, but not exactly the same. And then these are different in all of them. I mean, they're similar in the sense that you get a snidbit of lace, but they're different as in which ones you get. Because basically I just cut a little bit off of the inventory that I had. You can go up there. Another tag. Some book page. The fabrics. Yeah. As you guys watch me just put it all back together. And fold that in. Fold that in. And then neatly hope it goes all back. Yay! And then push it back in your little envelope and hope that it wants to go back in the little envelope. These were fun to try to put in here because they're so fat. And then that's it. So this listing is ready to be active. I haven't actually activated it yet, because I wanted to do this video first. So I'm recording this Wednesday night. I hope to have this video up by Thursday morning, my time, which is Eastern time. So hopefully I can get this up to you guys by Wednesday or by Thursday morning, and then I can get these I can get the listings live. And like I said, this will be $10 shipped, US shipping's free shipping. So yeah, that's it. I do want to get more kits available. I do kind of want a consensus. I have enough materials to do like a children's kit, like a children's photo album or junk journal or journal album, or even a recipe book. Like, I have so much stuff to make a recipe book, even beyond the one that I actually want to make. But yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in specific journal kits, not just generalized journal kits, because like these are just generalized, just, you know, for everyday junk journals or whatever. But yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in specific journal kits, and if you are, let me know what kind. So anyway, I believe this is the shortest video I've ever made in my life. It's at 11 minutes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.